Focus on me. Okay, we are outside, so that's why there's some wind happening. Today I did a get ready with me, and this is the makeup that I ended up with. Kind of looks like that one look by, oh my god, it does too because I'm wearing the black wig by It's Likely Makeup. My true hero, yeah, she did a makeup look that's kind of like this. It's different though, hers is really cool. But like, it's kind of similar. I accidentally copied it, and then I put on a black wig, and she was a black wig in hers too. I didn't even finish all of my makeup being done, so if there's anything you have questions about that I didn't include in the video, then just ask, man, because it's not going to be in the video. I'll try to put it in the description, but knowing me, the description will just have like the link to my Instagram, because it takes the time to write those things. Actually, a lot of people do. Good for them, but I don't get enough views for that, so. After I did my makeup, I brushed my teeth with like this black toothpaste, which wasn't the best idea, so don't recommend that. Ew! Because I got black all over my chin and I had to try to conceal it after already powdering my face and highlighting and all of everything. It's cold outside, okay, I'm gonna go in now. Focus on this. So my brows are like really crazy right now because I'm gonna be wearing a wig, so that's why they're super dark and they're really big. They're usually not this big. I have no explanation for that. That was just happened. So today, we're gonna do some makeup. My eyelids are already primed. I actually just put concealer on them and then I set them with, I almost said clear eyeshadow. White eyeshadow. So today I'm actually gonna use this palette. I always use it as a mirror. I'm gonna use freaking Fringe first because I'm gonna do a greeny swamp monster elf look. Merry Christmas.
The middle of December, she pulled up on the skirt.
I'm actually gonna use a different eyeshadow first though. Oh, I'm a mess. Let's check out this palette. What do we got in here? Okay, this is Mi Vida Loca palette. We're gonna use analog, so just use an orangey eyeshadow. This is really orangey. I don't do that. This is really orangey. It is much more orangey than I expected. So maybe this green is gonna end up turning brown on top of it. Can you guys even see me? I'm probably so not in focus right now. Okay, let's just chill up here for a second. Also, I have to listen to music while I get ready. I don't have to, but I want to. Wow, this side does not want to blend. So I'm just gonna keep blending these until she nice and blown out. Just blow her everywhere. Senpai, ici, c'est ici. Master palette by Mario. I'm just using this more neutral orangey shade, and I'm just gonna keep doing this. Okay, our oranginess is blown out enough, and I'm sweating from that blending, so that's probably a good sign. Now we're gonna use Fringe. I'm gonna be going between Fringe and Hyper Ballad over here. Probably it's this one. This one, it's like a teal-y dark green blue color. And I've never used this shade, so we're gonna see how it goes. It's not blending into the orange as nice as I would like it to, so I'm gonna just like blend this all onto the lid. That's how it looks like it wants to go right now. Okay. We got one side, let's do the other. This is kind of fun. I'm gonna look kind of magical after. Let's just make this like super magic looking. I just want to look kind of like a crazy magical being all the time pretty much, so that's why I wear glitter on like the daily. Glitter's pretty magical. Probably the most magical craft project. Okay, now I'm taking Hyper Ballad, focusing that more in the crease, and then we're gonna use some more oranginess and blend it out. We're just gonna keep layering until it's nice and blended and pretty. And since I want this like greeny color to be in the crease, I'm blending it up pretty far, pretty high up to the eyebrow, but we're wearing some crazy eyelashes today, so you won't even be able to see it anyways, you know? We're using another orange. There's so many oranges, wow. Okay, so now we're just blending those into each other. So this has turned into like a brownie orange color, but like I kind of like it, so it's okay. So we've blended that out way higher than we should have. Perfect, just how I like it. And let's do, I kind of want to do the greeny underneath too. I feel like I need more of it. We're just gonna keep layering, okay? I don't know. I just want it to be brighter. It's kind of more blue looking now that it's on my eye. Like, it's a lot more blue looking. But I keep saying green anyways. was the original intention, so it's fine. I'm gonna put this underneath too, because that's what I feel like doing. I feel like that might not have been the route I wanted to go. So we're gonna put it on the other side still, because gotta have it all matching. Oh, I got pigment in my eye. Iced out rain. I said rain. It's just hail, dude. Iced out rain. So we're putting this orange back on that so it goes brown underneath. Oh, my eye again. I'm just freaking abusing myself. She icy right now. I'm icy as frick. Iced out bean. Oh wow, this is crazy looking. I'm gonna put eyeliner on. And then I'm gonna put glitter on. Because eyeliner does not go very well over glitter, so I will be right back. Going up on a Tuesday. Okay, so next up, my eyeliner is kind of fricked up, but it's okay because we're being... I can't speak. But it's okay because we're going to be wearing some huge eyelashes. So next up, we're going to do some glitter because, like I said, I want to be magical, and glitter makes everything magical. You know what's not magical? The fact that my face probably still isn't in focus. So we're using some lit glitter. This is... Where's your... Oh, Hello Sunshine. Size number 2 on the inner corner for inner corner highlight, and I'm bringing it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna I want to put some like random glitter on here. Okay, so I'm just kind of making this almost like blend out from the inner corner so there's still some on the lid. Okay, so now we are glittered up. I always like stick it between my thighs so it stays nice and warm. Whose pants are these? I think I'm wearing my brother's pants. I didn't even know that. I've been wearing these for hours. Curling my eyelashes, putting on mascara, and then putting on eyelashes. And I'm stacking some crazy ones, and there's some queen bees in here, but there's an old pair in here too. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna go put those on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got crazy eyelashes on. I look like a raccoon in this. That's okay though. I added more glitter because I wanted to add more glitter. But this is what we're at right now. Oh, it's so washed out, the lighting. It's too bright. I'm gonna put some white eyeliner in my waterline, and then I'm going to put all my face makeup on. Maybe not all of it. I don't know if I'll show you what I do or not, but I guess we'll see. Okay, see you in a jump cut for you and a few minutes for me. More than a few minutes. Okay, so the nose contour today is a little wild. We got some anime on the background, and I like really pale. Okay, so next up we have to do blush, because everything is cool toned and I'm gonna have fake black hair on me. We need a little bit of color in ourselves, right, Corm?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm kind of bringing it like over my nose because I like to do that. And my nose contour is fricked up today anyways. And it's cute when you got a little blushy nose, and then I'm gonna put some little freckles on there. I for real just look like I'm in costume or something. Halloween makeup tutorial. Here you go. Okay, we got some anime playing in the background, and I look like a different person because my camera died, so I didn't get to finish doing my makeup, but I added freckles, and I put stuff on my mouth, and I don't know if I did anything else. Oh, highlighter too, obviously. Used that champagne pop because I always use that, and now I look like a goth shawty. I also, yeah, I guess I added the wig. That's a big thing. I need to get some nice makeup shots. Let's do a little zoom on me. His eyelash is falling off. Okay. If you guys want a review on this wig, let me know because I just got it. It's from Amazon. It's a pretty good price. And it's pretty long and nice, and You know, like, it's pretty good. And I have nothing else to say. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Ew.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight.